We are producing different kind of foam materials according to customer specification for packaging industry. Now we are trying to explain you what kind of foam we will use. If you are producing or selling promotional materials, maybe you need to use foam. In addition, you can use this kind of material as Kaizen foam. If you don't know your material, what type of material you need, just send us your image, your video or sample. It's enough to us to understand what kind of material you need. There are many types of foam. One of them is EVA. EVA is an high density foam material. If you are a tool equipment manufacturer company, maybe you can use EVA material to protect your goods. This is an example for glass industry. Some of our customers are producing glass materials for their customers, but they need to ship. Here you can see there are many metal and glass parts on the table. So it's hard to ship these materials to their customers, and you need to decrease the dimensional measurement for the packaging case. So what we are doing, actually we are designing 3D. This is an card box. We can add label and we can change the quantity and the quality of the card. We can add the handle, or we can change the totally material. It could be wooden or card. So we are using this kind of polyethylene materials. We can change these materials according to your customers. So some customers are using polyurethane, XPA, EVA or block foam according to their business. So it's enough for our customers using this kind of 5 or 6 centimeter thickness. These metal parts can damage for the glass materials easily for the shippings. Now it's our solutions. Here are solutions for metal parts. If you try to draw this material, do you see? I will try to explain you our step-by-step working parameters. Now, firstly, we need image, PDF, AutoCAD or SolidWorks file to understand what kind of product you are producing and serving. According to your industry, we have some solutions. Then, our R&D team and design team is working for your products, and they are designing 3D design and sharing with you to understand. Next step is preparing and working for sample. Quantity and quality are really important for choosing the foam cutting process.